Welcome back to Daytime Live. Now, you guys should know this by now. If you don't, make we tell you, Sunday is Mother's Day. And we know that we're in a time where things are getting more and more expensive. So we have come up with some ideas that will help you out on a tighter budget.
All right, so first things first, you can always go Heartfelt card. You can go to where to write your mom, your grandma, or the moms in your life a special card. You can even make the card.
Yeah,
I think making cards is a great idea.
I think that's making cards are cute if you're younger than about 9. Otherwise, do not make me no card. You're a big 18-year-old, you're gonna make me a card, do not do it.
Of course, out of my business.
Listen to me. Listen, know your mother. But I will say that I do think that I do miss the days of receiving something in the mail, like a card. You know?
Something in the mail?
Like a card or a letter that's written.
Say $2 billion.
That.
Put it in your
Not even them not getting another mail again.
Right.
An email, you understand?
Yes.
Okay, so if you don't want a card or something like that, secondly, we would recommend some flowers. Yeah, go out of your way to get some nice flowers, whether they're from the rose man on the roadside, the one we talked about last week, or someone's backyard. Don't tell them to say so.
Ask.
Just make sure, say, you don't mash up the people in the yard, in the backyard, and go and say,
Ask.
me can beg you one of your flowers, sir.
You can imagine me after me I grow my flowers bush good. Mother's Day, me just go in and come back out.
Nothing.
When me look at the nation, I run the flowers.
Why you have to call my name?
When me to
Why you call my name?
to the donkey after it.
Why my name I call?
I'll earn you back.
Why my name I call?
Bring you.
Me and the flowers man don't know we're a good friend, so I'm not in your garden, sir.
Well, so anyway.
Just I tell you.
Third is chocolates. Who doesn't like chocolates? It's something sweet for a sextra sweet person.
Ooh, a sextra sweet person. I do. We just said, who don't like chocolates? And so you will.
Chocolates. We said you don't like chocolates?
Chocolates.
You like chocolates? Do you like chocolate?
Do I like chocolates?
Yeah.
I do, yes.
So that's what I'm asking.
Yeah. Anytime you open your mouth, I say something, you know. Me have to question it a couple times.
You're too bummy. You're too bummy. What's your favorite chocolate?
I love Ferrero Rocher, but I love Belgian chocolate the most. I think it's the nicest one. But you can.
Do you know Ferrero Rocher, the white one?
No.
No. Sorry.
Silver.
No, man, the dark one. You have a dark wrapper.
Yeah, no.
You've never had that one?
I don't like that one.
You've tried?
Because they have white chocolate and dark chocolate and milk chocolate. Me don't like that one.
No, you have the
dark one.
The ones you see most, what do you call that
With
one?
a gold wrapper.
Right.
That's milk chocolate.
Okay. But the dark one, you don't like that one?
No.
You don't like dark?
Something else that you can do, I love dark chocolate. Something else that you can do is get your mom some
amazing candles or her favorite soaps.
Facts.
Yeah.
Yeah, me don't want that either.
And we had, who was on the other day?
Ayatas. And they gave us some good ideas, yeah.
I still have my little gift bag here.
Me too. You use it yet? Aye. You start eat the rum raisin one? Aye. It's not a carrot, though.
I used it.
Not a carrot.
Hey, Mother's Day.
You hear that? You want my one? He's saying that he's good. Anyway, smart. Something else that you can do, Dufton, you can do this.
Cook, mommy, breakfast.
I said with your bag, you can carry it with your bag. You can go around there with a bag of Ayata's goodies, and then go cook some breakfast, go cook some food.
So far, so you can cook her dinner or breakfast. Of course, food is the way to.
Yeah.
So you cook some food.
Right.
Make a card.
No.
Carry the soap you have.
Right.
And on the way, you just 2 rows. Buy some chocolate.
That's a good present. But for me, I don't want you cook nothing. Bring some food. Bring some Thai curry.
But so you got to tell me, say. So me
no want you cook nothing.
So I go to the supermarket.
Thank you, Soji. Me no want you.
So I go to the supermarket because it's cost effective. Supermarket.
True.
And I go in there and I take up this big trolley. And I take up all the ingredients. And I go to the cashier and she go beep, 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 beep. I'm gonna stop beep it. Beep, beep.
Pee-pee, I'll pee-pee, no pee-pee I keep.
And when they come, so I give them the card.
Yes.
And them say, insert or tap. you have to insert because you can't tap that amount. And when them say stick in your savings, they say savings in your fret.
Right, you're like...
Till it approve.
You're like, figures.
And when I put those things and reach in the car and then go home and put on the big apron, and shing through my life and cook for hours, you wouldn't appreciate that?
I would love that. You know what else? If mom is, I would not love that. Me want bring food at me yard. Me no want you cook nothing. Me just I say, but...
You know, you see, you know on a card, you know on the flowers, you know on the chocolate, you know?
Me no mind the chocolate. If your mommy, if you ask mama want, if your mom is into makeup, you can get her a little drugstore makeup. You know, they always have, you have all these nice, you know, I like makeup. Now get me no makeup either, but from drugstore makeup.
Anyway, you can print your favorite digital picture with your mom and frame it.
That.
A photo is worth
like that.
So
I like that.
Out of everything thus far, you like
thus
chocolate?
Far, that's the one, yeah.
Just the photo?
So far, yeah. So we also have...
So what do you want?
You can give mommy a home spa, a little massage or pedicure could go a long way. I also don't want that.
What do you want?
Free the people that
I'm asking.
I don't want that.
It's ideas. We're not going to
A kiss on the hand, maybe quite continental, but diamonds are a girl's best friend.
A diamond.
Can't pay the rental.
When I don't play two Macadamia song for you, you can volunteer together for a charity.
I like that.
You choose a cause that she's passionate about.
I like that too.
And of course, can do it together.
I like that too. I like that too. That's
Volunteer for a
good.
charity?
Yeah, we can do that.
My house needs some cleaning. That's a charity.
So you are the charity? Negative.
But just do something. We'll just give you some ideas. So it may spark some ideas, or you can use one of ours. Have no problem. And of course, let us know on our social media.
Tell them that diamonds are a girl's best friend. Tell them.
Like the idea.
Tell them diamonds are a girl's best friend.
No.
Just tell them.
Diamonds is Maca's best friend. No, we hope that helps. Daytime Live, we'll be right back and we're going to have a Mother's Day song.
Whoop, whoop.
Diamonds are a girl's best friend.
Diamonds are a girl's best friend.
You're not a friend, you're a friend.